Today, we are learning how to apply transitions between clips to create smooth and professional video edits. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have at least two video clips placed on the timeline. Click on the Transitions tab at the top, where you'll find a variety of transition effects, including fades, wipes, slides, and more. To apply a transition, simply drag your chosen effect and drop it between two clips on the timeline. Filmora will automatically blend the clips using the selected transition. If you want to adjust the duration of the transition, click on it in the timeline and drag its edges to make it longer or shorter. You can also double click on the transition to open the settings panel, where you can fine tune the effect. Once applied, play the video in the preview window to see how the transition looks. If you want to change it, just drag a new transition over the existing one to replace it, and that's it. Now you know how to apply transitions between clips in Filmora to make your edits look smooth and seamless. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips.